If you guys, some of you guys have issues opening up like Photoshop or Infinity Designer or whatever it is, and it's crashing your computer, this is your go-to right here. It's free, right?
Hey guys, my name is RJ Martinez, and I'm on a mission today to help you resize your design for, if you want to upload to a hoodie or a pop socket, okay, whatever products that you're trying to upload a design for, and basically it's a simple resize to make it live on that product, right? So I break it down in this video, and I take you guys step by step through each process. There's a few different ways that you can do it. So if you get any value out of this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let's get into the content.
All right, guys, so merch resize, right? I came up here, clicked, uploaded a design. Now, you kind of see what it's basically making it look good on a pop socket because I have it selected right here. Okay, it's pop socket. You can make it t-shirt, pop socket, hoodie, iPhone case, Samsung case, tote bag, pillow. Now you can upload quite a few designs right here, right? And then it's just real simple, just however you want to resize them. If you want to resize them like in a pop socket form or t-shirt, hoodie, iPhone case, Samsung tote, it gives you a ton of options right here. And then you can choose the color. So it's just as simple as just click download the image and it'll convert it into a pop socket for you. Okay, easy. Okay, it's ready to upload to merch by Amazon. And so you want to do iPhone case, right? Download, done. Okay, tote pillow or tote bag pillow, download, done. Okay, now if I say you had 20 designs, take all 20 designs, boom, you can convert them over freaking easy, real easy to use, and then you just take them over to merch by Amazon and just upload them, and they do work. Okay, really cool. It's web-based, merchresize.com. You can see how simple and easy this is to use. All right, I'm over here at Photopea.com, right? It's almost like Photoshop. Really cool, web-based. It's web-based, right? And if you guys, some of you guys have issues opening up like Photoshop or Infinity Designer or whatever it is, and it's crashing your computer, this is your go-to right here. It's free, right? So what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and basically place our t-shirt design over here. So we're gonna open, come down, open. Monkey see, monkey do design. If you have a white text-based design and you want to make the background black, right? We're gonna go ahead and do that. But come over here. I'm gonna put this resource down below in the description. So your resources for the merch by Amazon. You're gonna see we're gonna do 480 by 480. Okay, 485 by 485. Okay, pop socket. And then you can see there's other dimensions for every other product, right, that you're trying to upload to. So it's a very important resource to have, and if you're designing for a certain, product. So come back over here. We're going to go ahead and add a black background because it's a white text base. So we're going to come over here to new fill layer color. We're going to basically whatever color that you want the background of the pop socket to be, go ahead and do that. In this example, we're going to go ahead and put it to be black, and then we're going to move this layer down, and we're grabbing monkey see, monkey do. Now we're going to go down here, resize. We're going to go down here and move the image to where it's in the middle, right? And then we're going to come over here. We have this selected, so we're going to move it around. We'll have to move it around. And I want it away from the size a little bit, so I'm going to come over here to edit, and then I'm going to go click free transform. This is what it is, right? Transform, yep, right there. And basically it's going to select the image, and I am going to resize it to make it a little bit smaller. Get it away from the damn edges. Okay, boom, that looks good. Let's do just a tiny bit more. Okay, boom, looks good. All right, and then we're gonna come over here to image, shrink image size, and then we're gonna do 485 by 485. 585. Bam. Press OK. It's going to go ahead and resize it. And then we're going to come over here to File. And then we're going to go ahead and export. And then we're going to click PNG. Okay. Boom. And you're going to see 485 by 45. Go ahead and save that bad boy. And then we're going to come over here to, I'm in the upload part of it. And we're going to go ahead and upload it to the pop socket. Now, a little bit more time, a little bit more steps using it, but that's just another way to do it. Really cool See how fast I did it, and you can pretty much do it with any other product here. Okay, so it's good to go. It uploaded it, as you can see. Bam. All right, so the tool that I'm going to use right here is it's the Productor. It's over here. I have it installed. It's Chrome extension. Okay, I made a full video about this tool right here. I have it above here. You'll see the little card pop up. Monkey see, monkey do. Okay, so now we have this design. Okay, and we're going to come up. We want to resize it. So this is the Productor. To say we want to resize it for a pop socket, right? We want to resize for pop socket black. Okay, we just do boom, and it is going to resize it for us. So we can take it right there. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we want to resize it. Let's do a phone case too as well. iPhone black, because we have a white text-based design, so we just want to make sure it looks good, you know. Samsung case black, and then let's say we want to resize it for a pullover hoodie. Pullover hoodie, and it'll put the background transparent for you too as well. Pullover hoodie, boom, if you want it. And then let's say you want to do a tote bag, throw pillow. So we're just doing them all, and you can just press all right here, all black, right? I should have did that, and it would have did it all for me, but I'm just taking you to the steps. We're gonna do black tote bag. Did we do the hoodie already? I think we did, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, so it's doing it for us. It's loading. See it? It's doing the work. There it goes. There we go, baby. And you can see. Let me upload them all for you real fast. Oh, that's iPhone. Oh my goodness. iPhone. Samsung. Where's that tote bag? Tote. Throw pillow. Is that correct? No, no. That was a hoodie. Throw pillow would be that one. Same one. See, get confused right there. Hoodie. Boom. See that? Simple, easy, all done, and we uploaded it to all the products. Really cool. So that's one way you can resize all of the products, and it's free, simple, and you don't. All done. The Productor working its magic for us. All right, so I'm over here in the back end of Merch Informer. I have my affiliate link down below in the description. This is I think they offer you a 3-day free trial. Make sure you guys use my coupon code when you sign up. This is a really amazing tool for research, for creating designs on products, stuff like that you can do a lot inside here, right? And if, for example, I'm going to show you how to, resize your design. And it gives, there's a pop socket, there's a hoodie, there's a wrappable tee launch mock-up, there's a mock-up jewelry card, phone case, merch phone case, canvas tote, throw pillow. So for this example, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this hoodie sweatshirt. Okay, right now we have it looking good, like on a black hoodie, right? This is really cool because we have it right here, and it basically what it just did was just make the correct size for our image right here that we have. And what you're going to do is come over here to images, and you're gonna go ahead and upload your design right here, right? Make sure it's transparent background. And the only thing you're going to do is just make sure it looks good right here, right? And after you get all that done, and if you guys are unaware too, they have a ton of vectors over here that you can use for any of your designs. And let me show you that real fast. See, for example, they have May 2021. They have 5 different vectors that you can use, and these are all free for commercial use, right? You can use these on all your designs. So really, really cool. If you guys are unaware of that, I would definitely go that right there alone is worth. It's worth some money right there, right? So I would definitely go check that out. But anyways, back to over here. So let's say we're done. We're gonna go over here to the left-hand corner. Okay, this is exactly what we wanted to upload, and you put it on here. Okay, your image, transparent background. You can mess with the sizing if you want a little bit. If you want to make it small, whatever the heck you want to do. And then we're gonna go ahead and press download. Okay, it downloaded it into the PNG format, and all we're gonna do is gonna come over here to. So we're gonna come over here to Merch by Amazon and upload. What did we just do? What product did we do? We did pullover hoodie and zip hoodie and sweatshirt. Okay, so we're gonna click on that, and then we're just gonna go ahead and upload. We're not gonna deselect all these, making sure it's good on that. Boop. Sorry, I uploaded to the wrong one. There it is. My bad. All right, so you can see obviously over here If you go back into the resources, you can check and see which ones are you can upload to. But we just made it for the size for the pullover hoodie and the zip hoodie. I was thinking the sweatshirt too for some reason. I don't know why, my mistake. Oh my god. So this one right here is you can see what it did, and it just put it kind of on the chest. It's up to you how you want to do your sizing and stuff. All that, of course, you can go back and mess with it. But for the example, I just want to show you how you can resize it. You can literally just resize and mess with this right here and put it however you want to put it on the pullover hoodie and the zip hoodie. And you're going to go in here and you can go ahead and edit, you know, your colors and stuff and what do you want it on, stuff like that. Same thing for this one, you know, pretty self-explanatory, right? I would probably mess with this. I would make it a little bit bigger. You know, I want to take up more of the design space on the product. If you guys are unaware of that, from my understanding, it seems like you get more clicks and stuff like that. So it's important that you understand that the sizing and stuff like that is very important on your product. You want to make it as big as possible so that thumbnail, when the customer clicks, they can see it from, they don't have to click, they can just see it and they're like, oh, that's cool, let me click. So uploading with resizing the design with Merchant Formal, it can definitely be done. So really awesome tool. All right, so for this example, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use Canva, right? Canva.com is a pretty amazing tool for like social media and stuff like that. There's a ton of things that you can do with Canva, okay? But this one right here, we're going to go ahead and just upload our PNG file, our shirt design, or whatever size that you have it, okay? And now we're going to use the hoodie. As you can see, 4,500 by 4050, okay, 4,050. And then we're just make sure we have the correct size over here on Canva. And then we're just going to go ahead and hit create new design, okay? And that's going to bring us to the custom size. So what I did was hit create design and then go to custom size and then put the custom dimensions, and we're going to go ahead and create new design, okay? And then what you want to do is come over here to left-hand side uploads, and then you're going to upload your image over here. You can see that I use it a little bit. I have some cool stuff over here. So you're gonna see monkey see, monkey do. Okay, and so we clicked on the actual, you know, the outside image. So you're gonna click on, there's the design image, the design, and then if you click on the outside, it's gonna bring it up here. So I'm gonna do that to make sure it looks good. Okay, so this is the canvas size of the actual image. You just make it, just for this example, you're just gonna go ahead and you just want to make it whatever you think this is a good size for it. But what I always recommend, just make sure you just try to take as much possible space as possible in your design area, right? This is going to help with, you know, getting your click not too far to the outside, because you want to make sure you have it correctly. And the only thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the right hand corner. And now I don't have the Pro, so in order for you to download this, you must have the Pro. I should have said that at the beginning when I started this one, but you must have the Pro in order for you to turn the background into transparent, right? They have a trial, and you can, you know, I can get another free trial if I want to, but you can just, it'll download it and it'll put the backgrounds transparent for you, okay? And as you download it, it's gonna download the actual design. And only thing you're gonna do, so for example, this is without the transparent. I recommend you do the transparent background. Don't upload it as this. I would download this, just that way you can see that it downloads in the right format for us. And we're gonna go ahead and it downloaded, and we're gonna bring it over here to Merch by Amazon, okay? And you see one design is already uploaded over there. And we're gonna go ahead and upload. Now it's gonna show that black background. Yeah, see, you can see, but we don't, you know, obviously we don't want that black background. So if you get the Pro, you can get, you know, you can use it without the you in the transparent. It'll basically take out that black background, but it uploads it into the right format. Just go back and forth over here and look at and see what your formats and what's the correct size for each product, right? Because you want to make sure you have the correct dimensions on there. You don't want to, or else you get an upload error, right? So I'm definitely not, I wouldn't upload this, okay? This is just an example. I will not upload it with that black background. So you want to make sure you take that out, because it doesn't look right unless you're not, yeah, it won't, don't do that, okay? It's a no, but it was just an example because I wanted to show you that you can do it with Canva too as well. You just you know, a few little changes that you have to do. And the cool thing about this is just this tool is really cool. They have graphics over here, but you definitely have to double check to make sure they're good for commercial use. And they have different types of text and stuff like that. And then they show you everything over here. And then yeah, you download it and make sure you put transparent background, and you download it, and boom. All right. All right, so I hope you guys found a lot of value in that video. There's other editing softwares that you can use, like Photoshop, Affinity Designer, GIMP,
GIMP is a free one. Affinity Designer is like a one-time payment, and then Adobe Photoshop, it's a monthly subscription. You can use any of those. I just wanted to share this with you guys. That way you can have a better understanding of, like, you know, there's different ways you can do resizing a design, right? Very, very simple, very, very easy. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and watch my next video up here if you want to learn more about print on demand.